All right. Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? Good morning. Pre-market Tuesday. SPY is running. All right. So the CPI data just came out. Inflation looks like the CPI is lower than expected year over year and over August. 0.1 versus zero point 0.3 expected. Core CPI year over year 4% versus 4.2% expected. So that is some good numbers so far, and SPY is reacting very, very quickly. So far, pre-market 448 for SPY pre-market. I mean, when that news dropped, I mean, you look at Amazon, you look at Tesla. Tesla's starting to run again, back at 742, and Amazon's 34.75. All right, so let's see where this takes us today. All right, so I don't think we're completely out of the woods yet. Definitely, we bounced from 444 yesterday as expected, right here. Right, tried twice to break below 444, which was my magic number where it should bounce from, and it did so just that. And so now SPY is running. So that gives consumer confidence or investors confidence going into today. So maybe we'll see nice bounces across the market. So we'll see. Definitely was a great day yesterday for small caps. So a couple things on my list, not a lot on my list today, just a few. I'm watching. Yes, Tesla just filled the gap down from yesterday. All right, so we're back up. Yeah, definitely feel more confident about doing some calls today versus yesterday, which I actually didn't do much. Just sat back and kind of just examine and watch the markets overreact to stuff. So Tesla 750 looks pretty good for calls. And of course, we are in AEHR. I don't know if you guys heard about this stock. I'm looking at the 1 hour chart for AEHR. This stock has been doing pretty well over the last couple of days or several, at least a week or so. I'm looking for right now, it's running up towards $12, and I'm looking for probably a $15 swing here. They recently received a large order for their products, and also there's been a 40% increase in shorts over the last couple of sessions, which is interesting. But still, their short of flow is only 6% or so right now. It's not that bad, but I definitely get a sense that I definitely see that these shorts are piling into the stock. So I'll be careful here, but I think looking very strong, consolidating after this spike, at least on the 1 hour. So 1241 yesterday was the 52-week high for AEHR. I know a few other folks might be on the stock as well. Last stock I'll look at today. I'm probably going to look at a couple more actually. Upstart. All right. I'm going to go over the daily chart. I really like Upstart. I like the pullback yesterday, but it bounced off the moving average 8 here. All right. And it's slightly red in the pre-market, but this looks like a decent hammer for a reversal. So I'm looking to do perhaps maybe a 280, 295 October calls again here. See if we can catch a run today. But let's go ahead and look at Amazon real quick since it's popping off here. So Amazon, all right, fell back into this channel yesterday, and looks like it's running back towards a moving average 8 again here. And we'll see if there's a play on Amazon today. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. What's going on? Good morning. All right, XSPA. I don't know about XSPA there, sir. That's like a 2020, stock. What do you think about AMD? OCGN's due for some news this morning, or I'm sorry, this week with WHO, World Health Organization. So we'll see. SDC is looking pretty good. It was on my watch list last week. I never got into SDC. I was expecting this squeeze, but hey, congratulations if you got in. It's a little too late for me to go chase that. I think Lucid's going to be fine. Yes, I heard about their, some analysts at Morgan Stanley giving it a $12 target. That's nice. That's very cute. Nice short position there. Whatever, doesn't matter. Let's talk about Moderna. What's going on with Moderna? Moderna fell like crazy yesterday. So it's, I had calls up here at 450s, and this thing went down to 420, so I had to cut my losses yesterday. So I did take a pretty good loss here, no big deal. But let's see what it does today. I think we can see a nice bounce. Yeah, so bounce back to the 450 range would be pretty good here. So let's check in with SPY real quick. Once again, SPY is at 448.13. Looking pretty good here for a bounce today. All right. So nothing else. Okay, real quick commercial plug. We have a few spots in our Patreon group. Just so you know, some of the benefits of our Patreon group is that you get exclusive access to all of my tutorials, videos I've done in the past, and every week I'm doing more and more tutorial videos to help everyone improve their trading strategies and their win and loss ratios. So, I work very, very hard for the Patreon community, and it's also for a good cause. So I got a few spots left for September. Feel free to hit my link in my profile and see if it's right for you. If you have any questions, feel free to inbox me. If you have any concerns, I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. All right. So with that being said, that's the pre-market prep for this morning, and I will see you guys tomorrow.